Inisiatif hijau dan agenda kelestarian mampu mewujudkan sumber kekayaan baru dalam bidang ekonomi, termasuk ekonomi kitar semula ataupun circular economy. Kita dengarkan pandangan pakar dan kisah kejayaan syarikat SME merebut sumber kekayaan baru ini.
Circular economy is about production in the first place and consumption of any products. In today's ecosystem, we try to use a product as long as we want it to be. Plastic is a classic example. Most of our products, packaging comes in a form of plastic. How many of us are actually taking the plastic seriously, recycling it instead of just throwing it away? So these are part and parcel of circular economy which we have to take cognizance of. And along the chain of the product, we are talking about how we repair the product, how we renovate the product, how we reuse the product as long as possible until the final stage of the product cannot be reused anymore. The longer we can recycle the product, the better is the environment, the lesser carbon we are introducing to the environment. So this is one of the examples where all of us can help, where the circular economy is concerned. Start small, start now, do your part.
Most of our products are circular in nature. Like for example, our main product in erosion control, we use three main agriculture substrates. That is paddy straw, palm fiber, coconut fiber, and also other geosynthetic materials. What we do is that when this paddy straw has been harvested, we collect the paddy straw, we send to our factory in Sekinchan, we produce this erosion control blanket, will be used to cover erosion as an erosion control blanket at hill slopes. Later on, this blanket will act as a erosion control blanket. After hydroseeding, it will grow and the grass will establish. Therefore, at the end, there's no more residue because the blanket is made of two layers of photodegradable netting together with agriculture substrate that is paddy straw. We are glad to be in the business of green in nature. Not only that we are making profit, we are also saving the Mother Earth. Embracing ESG amongst all companies is very crucial. By adopting ESG, it's not only that you improve the company image, it's also at the long run, it will give profitability to the company. Start small,
Start now.
do your part.
We established the company in 2013. Our business focus on environmental business. We have a few sectors in our business. The first one is infrastructure cleansing. We are focused on maintenance for infrastructure like port, airport, the highways. The second one is waste solution. We have recycling, recovery. The third one is waste management facility. The waste normally going to landfill, right? So we offer a few facilities like incinerator, waste to energy, food waste, we convert it become gas and protein. We also have plastic, we convert it to fuel. This is our sustainability complex, consists of two segments. The first one is fixed facility, inovasi kita semula. And the second one at the back is IRF, integrated recycling facility. So we can see around 500 ton waste a month we divert from going to landfill. We can work with people to convert waste become wealth. For FS, we start implement this mantra like profit, people and planet. Start small, start now, do your part.
The sustainable practices in a company we can actually split into two categories. One is the manufacturing side and another one is the product itself. So when we talk about the product itself, we can see from the material sourcing. When we source the material, we need to ensure that it is recyclable and also to ensure that it does not contain any hazardous components and have a low emission of the VOC, the volatile organic compounds, as well as the formaldehydes. This is to ensure it not just benefits the environmental as well as reduce the impact towards the human health. During the product development stage, we actually consider all the way up to the end of the life cycle to ensure that our product could be disassembled to each components and to recycle accordingly. Start small, start now, do your part.
Idea inovasi dan juga penggunaan teknologi terkini mampu menjadikan hasil sisa sebagai produk baru yang menghasilkan kekayaan kepada syarikat. Ini jelas yang ditunjukkan oleh syarikat AFES misalnya, menggunakan hasil sisa pepejal dan menguntungkan kepada syarikat itu. Start small, start now, do your part.